If GOG is crashing with an unexpected error, refusing to open, or closing silently right at startup, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix that works for many people. GOG launchers and games rely on important Microsoft background components, and if those runtime files are outdated or corrupted, the app can fail before it even loads properly. So first, we're going to repair that foundation. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PC fix videos. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Visual C++ downloads page. This is where you can get the runtime packages that GOG often needs to launch correctly. Once you're on the Microsoft page, download both architecture versions of the Visual C++ Redistributable. That means the 32-bit version, which is often labeled x86, and the 64-bit version, which is labeled x64. Even if your system is 64-bit, it's still a good idea to install both, because different apps and components can rely on different versions. After both files finish downloading, open the first installer and follow the setup prompts. Accept the license agreement if prompted, then let the installation complete. When that's done, run the second installer and do the same thing. This step is important because it refreshes the runtime files that GOG Launcher and GOG Games use in the background. Once both installations are finished, restart your computer. A full restart helps Windows register the updated files properly and can clear out any temporary launch issues. After your PC turns back on, try opening GOG again and see if the unexpected error is gone. In many cases, that alone solves the problem. If GOG still refuses to launch and you immediately get an unexpected prompt or crash on startup, then the client's root configuration files may be corrupted. Don't worry, we can fix that too. First, press Ctrl, Shift and S together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact view, click More Details so you can see all running processes. Now look through the list for any active GOG Galaxy processes. You may see one or more entries related to GOG running in the background. Right-click each one and choose End Task. Make sure every active GOG operation is fully closed before moving on, because leftover background processes can stop the repair from working properly. After that, open your browser and go to the official GOG Galaxy web installer page. Download the installer tool from GOG's official source, not from a third-party website. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to reinstall or repair the client. This step can rebuild damaged files and replace corrupted configuration data that may be causing the unexpected error. If the installer asks to sign in or update components, let it finish completely before launching the app again. Once the installation is done, restart your computer one more time if needed, then open GOG Galaxy and test it again. At this point, the launcher should open normally if the issue was caused by corrupted files or missing runtime components. So to recap, the main fix is to install both Microsoft, Visual, C++ Redistributables, restart your PC, close all GOG background tasks in Task Manager, and then use the official GOG Galaxy web installer to repair the client. These steps solve a lot of unexpected error problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.